The Things Conference Devices is coming up fast, and so I'm going to be reviewing some of the coolest products in the LoRaWAN ecosystem to get you excited. Today, I'm looking at the Dragino LHT65. It's a small temperature and humidity sensor, about 13 centimeters long by 7 centimeters wide, with screw terminals for mounting it to something. So it has the temperature and humidity sensors on board, and then also a sensor port on the bottom for connecting to something else, which could be a soil sensor, an external temperature sensor, a tilting sensor. I think Dragino makes lots of plug-and-play sensors that you can attach to this. It's designed with smart metering and building automation in mind, but the possibilities are pretty endless because of this sensor port. The case is really compact. On the front here, you have a tricolor LED for status. On the bottom, there is an on-off/test uplink button. There is the sensor port. And then on the back, there is a serial port for programming keys or updating firmware, which you should never have to do. Mine just worked out of the box. The LHT65 has a 2400 milliamp hour non-rechargeable battery, and how long that lasts depends all on the frequency of uplink and the connection quality. With a spreading factor 7 and 15-minute uplink frequency, they predict a battery life of 10 years, and there's an online calculator so you can plug in your own conditions and see how long the battery should last for you. So on to provisioning. Provisioning the device is a breeze because it's in the device repository, so you just select it from the drop-down list. No need to look up the LoRaWAN spec, no chance for mistakes. I've actually added this device using a process called device claiming. So that allows the device manufacturer to actually add it to the thing stack and then give you a QR code which you can scan to automatically add it to the thing stack instance. I'll make another video about how that's done. For now, let's put the device out there in the real world and send some data. Here I have the device by my window. A long press turns the device on and sends a test uplink, and you can see the LED giving you the status there. That means the join request was accepted, and now a short press sends a test uplink. So now we have temperature and humidity with the window closed. Let's open the window and send another uplink. Give it a second to get cold, and let's send another uplink. Now let's go see what data we got. In the console, we can see the data we're getting. Since the Dragino LHT65 is in the device repository, we automatically get a payload formatter. The data is automatically formatted, and we can see here the battery voltage, temperature, and humidity. And if there's an external sensor, we can also see data from that. We had an indoor temperature of 20 degrees C, and the outdoor cold temp is about 16. So that is a quick wrap-up of the Dragino LHT65, a handy little humidity and temperature sensor. We see this being used a lot for building automation, but because of this external sensor port, it is pretty versatile. The possibilities are endless, actually. This device works perfectly with the ThingStack and is in the device repository, so you can add it in a single click. Of course, if you want to try the ThingStack, there's a link in the description below. And if you want to buy this device, it's available on the Connected Things store. I've got lots more great reviews coming up. And of course, I hope to see you at the Things Conference Devices next week, where all of the exciting manufacturers from the LoRaWAN ecosystem will be there to showcase their products. Thanks for watching.